channel. I hope that you're having a wonderful day and doing well. In today's video, as you can probably see from what I'm holding and the title of this video, I'm going to be sharing with you an updated version of how I like to clean my Pandora jewelry. So I do have a very old YouTube video. You know, I think it's actually one of the first ever videos I've ever filmed, going into kind of a lengthy video of how I clean my jewelry using Dawn dish soap, lukewarm water, and a soft bristle toothbrush, and the Pandora polishing cloth, which I actually have right over here. I am more than due to film an updated version, especially since last year Pandora released their new Pandora cleaning kit, their new cleanser solution. It is amazing. So it's called the Jewelry Care Kit, and I will actually leave it linked down below in the description bar of this video and anything else that's still available. So in this video, I will be sharing with you exactly how I like to use the new Jewelry Care Kit from Pandora. It comes with a polishing cloth and its own toothbrush. But I'm also going to be sharing with you a look at some other cleaning items Pandora has released previously. Some of them you can still find around. So the box I'm holding here is their old Pandora Jewelry Care Kit, which was amazing. It came with a soft bristle toothbrush, a polishing cloth, a clasp opener, and a couple little Pandora bags to store your Pandora jewelry items, like anti-tarnish bags. I love this kit and actually love the toothbrush that comes inside it. It's great for cleaning as well. So that's a little look at the Care Kit. And then the last items I'm holding here is such a must. They actually do come with both of the Pandora Jewelry Care Kits. Is the Pandora polishing cloth, which you can purchase from your store or with the Pandora Care Kit. It does come with its own little cloth inside too. But these are such a must, an everyday use for me item when I just want to quickly shine up my jewelry. But after you've cleansed your jewelry, you've used a toothbrush to kind of clean around the grooves and edges and all of that and let them dry and kind of set for a bit. That going in with the polishing cloth afterwards is such a must. That's where you're really going to see that shine and that sparkle coming back to your Pandora jewelry pieces. They really do last a long time. Even when they get kind of black, they're still usable and they can last a very long time. So just because they start to look dirty, and you might not think they're as effective, they're just as effective. These can last you for such a long time. So keep using it. Even when it gets black and kind of gross, it still works really well at removing all the tarnish off your sterling silver pieces. So if you're ready to see how I like to clean my Pandora jewelry updated, make sure to grab a delicious cup of tea or your choice of beverage, and let's get started with today's video. So here I'm going to be sharing with you the Gentle Jewelry Cleanser. So you want to start off with immersing your jewelry in the cleaning solution for about 2 minutes. Now for this, the best way to really deeply clean is to remove all your charms and your dangles off your Pandora bracelet, as well as putting the bracelet in itself. So really separating them. Now before I do this, I always take a photo just in case I might forget the design I originally had, especially if I really love the design. So I always take a photo to reference to later. So here you're seeing me remove my charms off my bracelet and into the Pandora cleaning solution. Now this solution that Pandora designed is safe for Pandora Rose, Pandora Shine, enamel charms. It's very, very delicate, so it is very safe to put these pieces in there. So here you are, I can putting it in, soaking it in, has a little tray that you can pull out later. So here I have a Pandora Rose ring I'm also going to be showing you, and a sterling silver ring also that you can add into this cleaning kit. Now for this, it does come with this small soft bristle toothbrush, that little clear silver one, but I also love the original one too. It's slightly bigger, and I find, you'll see in a little bit, but I find both really easy to use. So after about 2 minutes, I take the charms out, I put them on the lid, and now I'm going to go in with my 2 different toothbrushes to gently scrub around. So what this does is it really breaks up any bits of dirt or tarnish that's still left over. And then I find the little tiny one is so amazing for cubic zirconia accents, especially the really tiny ones. It really gets into those nooks and crannies. Then I gently rinse my Pandora pieces in water, and then I lightly will kind of blot them dry with a cloth. Now, especially for Pandora Rose, you want to use a gentle cloth. You can also use the pink side, the untreated pink side of the Pandora cleaning cloth that does come with the kit. So that's the outside part of the cloth, which you'll see in a little bit. But here again is my process where I gently scrub around my different charms. I put it in the water, and this water is just plain water, and it just helps gently rinse off the solution. But first you go in, you scrub with the remaining solution that's on the pieces, and then you gently blot them dry with a little soft cloth. Now here again, we have some more Pandora Rose. These are the mini ears, so cute. Again, I like to use a gentle cloth just to kind of clean them up after they've been like kind of rinsed out in the water. And then I will go in a bit with my Pandora polishing cloth. But I usually do that at the end. I kind of wait for things to air dry. You'll see here I just did my Pandora Rose ring, and now I'm cleaning, polishing up my Pandora Cinderella carriage. This is so beautiful. It's in Pandora Rose, and I used the untreated side of the cloth that comes with the cleaning kit. That's what's the safest. So you see here I grabbed a Pandora Shine ring. You want to use just a soft cloth with this. You don't want to use any treated side of the cloth. So the white part in the inside and the pink part inside are the ones that are treated, and you want to avoid using that on your plated Pandora jewelry, which is the Pandora Shine and the Pandora Rose. Here I am going now cleaning my bracelet, and as you can see, it's already looking so shiny, so beautiful. I find their cleaning solution is so amazing at removing tarnish, and like when you look at it afterwards, like the water is so dark, but it lasts so long too. And you can see here it's super safe to use on enamel charms as well. And oh gosh, I just love seeing how shiny and like new all my pieces look. And here's a little poodle charm. I love that one. It's so sweet. Sterling silver is very prone to oxidization, which is why it's good to clean your Pandora jewelry as well as, you know, using the polish cloth here and there. But storage is also so crucial. I love the anti-tarnish bags Pandora has, but you can also get Ziploc bags, and they're a great way to keep your jewelry kind of airtight, away from air exposure, and that also helps prevent the tarnishing from happening. Obviously, too, proper care of your sterling silver pieces, your plated jewelry pieces is really important too, so you don't want to wear them when you're working out, doing dishes, cleaning, that sort of thing. So here's a look at the finished result of the bracelet using the Pandora cleaning kit. It is so amazing. I love how shiny and like new it looks, and just, oh, it's such a rewarding feeling when you see everything looking like shiny and beautiful again. So the Gentle Jewelry Cleanser, I highly recommend it. You can find it at your local Pandora store as well as online depending on your area. Now I'm going to show you how I use the old Pandora cleaning kit along with Dawn dish soap. So one of the safest and easiest ways to clean your jewelry is with a mild liquid soap and lukewarm water. You also want that soft bristled toothbrush, so I'm going to use the original one that came with this box as well as the new one, because as mentioned, I just find both of them work so well together. If you don't have these toothbrushes, so any soft bristled toothbrush will do really, really well. So what I like to do is I like to soak my bracelet in here, but I also like to gently use my fingers just to gently clean around it. I do let this soak for about 5-ish minutes. It depends on how tarnished it is. And then I gently start scrubbing within the bowl, and then eventually I take it out, put it over a cloth, and I slowly kind of scrub around each detail. Here you can see the small little toothbrush that comes with the new cleaning kit. I love to use it on those CZ pieces. It really shines them up, really gets rid of any buildup, and it works so, so well. If you have any older Pandora pieces such as the freshwater cultured pearls, you want to be really careful. They should not be exposed to water and cleaning agents, and you only want to use them with like a soft brush, or just like a plain, like simple, like a little towel cloth is a good way to clean them. Just, you know, anything untreated, you want to be really safe. So again, with enamel, with glass, you can use this method as well. You just want to be very careful, soft product. For any of the Pandora leather pieces, I personally, again, just use a towel to lightly clean around it. Pandora does say, however, you can use a mild chemical-free cleaner to help clean up the bracelets, but personally, just for me, I just always use a soft cloth gently to clean daily after I've worn my pieces. So here I'm using the old Pandora polishing cloth, which is two-sided. Some of the stores still have this older cloth, but the one you saw me using earlier is the new version, so that's most likely the one you're going to be finding, and that one is more preferable since it does have options for your Pandora Shine, your Pandora Rose pieces, as well as the sterling silver pieces. But I love this old one. It's so great to clean your sterling silver pieces, and you can keep using this. It can get really dark and black, but it still works, and here you can see the finished result. Now for this part that I did, I actually immersed the whole bracelet because sometimes when I'm in a hurry, I don't have time to take off all the charms. So I wanted to show a way that you can still get a beautiful result without removing all your charms. It's just more of the inside of the bracelet isn't going to be as clean. So, and here is one more quick look at it all clean and looking sparkling and shiny. Anyway, you guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed seeing how I like to clean my Pandora jewelry. If you have any questions or any suggestions on how you also like to clean your Pandora jewelry, because I do know there's other methods out there, please let me know down below. Anyway, you guys, I wish you a magical, wonderful rest of your day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now from Alice and I. Take care.